Welcome to Adam from Audio Tutor. Start the clock.
What's up guys, Tim here. Welcome to Atom from Audio Tutor. Atom stands for Audio Tutorials in 1 minute. We'll be presenting bite-sized audio concepts as well as tips and tricks for your brain to devour within the minute. Why are we doing this? Well, these compact little gems will be stuffed with information for those of you that are just out of time, as we all seem to be these days. As you know, there are longer videos available on the Audio Tutor pages, some up to 20 minutes, and I totally understand we don't always have that kind of time available. Now guys, at the moment there is no set day or time for these atoms to be released, so just keep an eye out for these little nuggets of information to collect along your journey toward awesome audio. You can make sure you never miss an atom by subscribing to the Audio Tutor YouTube channel or Facebook page, and make sure you have your notifications turned on. Here's to the brand new atoms from Audio Tutor.